Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing my 12-inch 5x5 deep side pad bulb unit, which has two beautiful colors, natural brown in the front and burgundy in the back, which gives it that amazing peekaboo effect in the back. As you can see, I made this unit myself among other units, and I'm going to leave a link in the cards up above or in my description box down below to a detailed video on exactly how I'm able to make all my units using a sewing machine. I'm also going to be linking all the products that you need for a flawless wig install in my description box down below, so feel free to check it out. Before my wig install, I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace using the knob lace tint mousse in the color chestnut and an old toothbrush. I'm going to be applying a generous amount of this on the front of the lace and on the pattern area, so not really all over the lace, just on the areas where I need it to be. So now I'm going to go in with a blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry this until it's completely dried on the cool setting. For the best results, please make sure that it's completely dried before installation. Next, I'm going to be going in with my knob lace adhesive skin guard and a cotton pad, and I'm going to be applying that on my hairline, and this is to protect my skin because shortly after I'm going to be applying lace glue, and this is the For Instance lace glue. This is probably the strongest, most long-lasting lace glue I've tried, and I'm going to be applying a generous amount of that on the areas where I'm going to be placing my lace, which is in front of my hairline. So once you've applied your glue, make sure to spread it out evenly using either a spatula like I'm doing right here, or you can use a rat tail comb if that's what you have on hand. I'm going to go in with the blow dryer on a cool setting and make sure that the glue starts to dry clear. I'm not going to be doing multiple layers because I previously applied enough. Now that the lace tint is completely dried, you can see a clear line of demarcation between the sides where I applied the lace tint and the parts where I didn't apply the lace tint. So I did my best to focus on the areas where I need the lace tint, which is the pattern section and the front of the hairline. You're going to see how beautifully the lace melts into my skin once I finally place it onto the glue. I'm just going to press it down with my fingers a little, and then I'm going to go in with the rat tail comb. Just add some pressure and make sure that the lace and the glue are able to melt together seamlessly. I'm going to go in with this tape, which I typically call Barber's tape. I usually see this being used by barbers, so I've been calling it Barber's tape. But let me know in the comment section down below if you know the actual name of it. I'm going to use it to tie down my lace, and I'm going to go in with an elastic band for added support. And I'm not going in with the elastic band first because I prefer the look of my lace if I go in with the Barber's tape first and then apply the elastic band. I'm going to use a blow dryer on a medium setting to make sure that everything dries down seamlessly. It's been a couple of minutes now, so I'm sure that my lace is completely dried. So I'm going to take off the bands and I'm going to clip off the sides just so I can cut the lace. I'm going to be cutting the lace using a brow razor. Now I'm going to make two slips to make cutting easier. I like to cut my lace in zigzag motions. This is just to mimic the look of a natural hairline. If you're not cutting your lace in a zigzag motion, then you're not doing it in the right way. Once I'm done, I'm going to melt my lace using the Ebon Lace Melting Spray and a small brush. I like to go in with small amounts exactly on the hairline where I cut. This is just to make sure that the lace completely melts into my skin. Once this is done, I'm going to reapply the elastic band and leave it to dry. While this dries off, I'm going to go in with my hot comb to clean up the pattern space and also go over areas where I need to. I'm also going to go in with a straightener to restyle my hair and just to make sure that the bob is bobbing and giving what it needs to give. I'm done with the styling, this is just an extra step. I like to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer or just any concealer that is your exact skin tone. I'm going to apply that on the parting space to make sure that it's even more pronounced and clean looking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video up until this point. I hope you're able to learn a thing or two. If you did, let me know in the comment section down below. What do you think about this wig and how it finally turned out? If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. Or you'd like to purchase this wig, hit me up on Instagram or TikTok. Also feel free to send me an email and I'm definitely going to get back to you. I'd love to see you in my next video next week, but until then, stay safe and stay blessed.